Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to give our Microsoft Edge a clean and professional look. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this link. Infinite new tab Pro. Select the get option and select allow and select add extension. And the extension will be downloaded and added bro. Now we just need to check my video description for this theme to download. Select the download option and download it. And it will start download. Now click on the three dot icon and select extensions and select manage extensions. Just need to turn on the infinite new tab and now this will pop up guys. Just select keep changes option. Select this icon and go to settings. Select the wallpaper, change wallpaper and select local wallpaper. Select local wallpaper, go to downloads and now we just need to select the downloaded wallpaper we downloaded and just to close stuff here and background has been setted. Now you just need to scroll down, screen zoom, set this to 65. Now you just need to scroll down to layout and select customize and set this row to 1, columns to 6, column spacing to 45, line spacing to 80, icon spacing to 50 and just to close stuff here. Now we just need to scroll down under icon. We just need to turn on this hide icon shadow start animation. All turned on. Icon size set this to 50 and op icons opacity set it to 89. Scroll down and find the search box. Under search box size set to 80 and search box rounded corners set it to 50 and search box opacity set it to 75. You just need to turn on this hide search category and turn on hide search button. After selecting these options, just need to close stuff here and click on three dot icon and select settings. On left side select appearance. On right side just need to select a moonlight glow and now just open up new tab, select this icon. In search for sites, you just need to type the site name that you visit more. For example, Amazon. I just need to select the add option to add in here. Just now drag to the first page like this. 2, 3, and now there we go. The same thing for I do use YouTube this second and use Gmail to quick. So that's the third thing. I visit Spotify. That's the fourth one. I use eBay. So that's the fifth one. Another one in the first page. Weather. And now it's the final look, guys. As you can see. And that's how you can give ever Microsoft Edge a clean and professional look. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.